Good morning, my name is Jeff. I'm a sewer tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 1448 Southwest Cedar Street here in Lake Oswego, Oregon. We're located inside the attic space. There's a 3-inch ABS cleanout just above the original vent. This will be the point of access. It will transition immediately to 4-inch cast iron. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Here we go. I'm going to zero out the camera now that we're at the bottom of the vent. I'll refer to this point here as the point of access. Okay, here 8 feet from the point of access. It appears to be transitioning. It looks like to ABS pipe. It's all gunked up as there is a root intrusion here at the transition joint. I will get that marked on the way back out for a repair. And this is 4-inch ABS pipe it just transitioned to here. Okay, this is not 4-inch ABS pipe. It looks like it is because it's black. Now that we've gone further, this is actually Orangeburg pipe. You can see how it's incredibly deformed. That's because it's a tar paper product. Over time it saturates with water and starts collapsing in from all the outward pressure. A very large root ball coming through at 28 feet. This is a banned product, so the entire Orangeburg section will need to be replaced. Okay, here at 49 feet, it's the furthest out point I'm going to be able to get to. The line is very collapsed in a lot of places. twists and turns, and we're stopped up here at 49 feet. This is furthest I'll be able to get to. I'm going to go ahead and map from this point back. I'll mention the location. I'm going to map out the entire Orangeburg section. It will all need to be replaced. And during the repair, they're going to have to put a camera in to scope out, see how far this repair needs to go. It looks like at this point it's probably extending at least all the way to the street. Okay, I did locate the camera head. We're off to the left side of the driveway if you're looking at the face of the house. And it's 2 feet 9 inches deep here, and I've marked it with a green X. So I'm going to go ahead and start reeling back. I'll put a marking about every 10-15 feet. Okay, we're just at the edge of the driveway, under the bricks now on the edge, and it's 3 feet deep here, marked out with a green line with arrows, just showing the direction the pipe's running. Right where it stopped, it has a 90-degree turn or 45-degree turn where it starts heading towards the street. Okay, I'm just doing markings every 10 feet back to the transition at 8 feet out. Okay, here at 29 feet, done another green line showing the direction it runs. Right now it's heading like it's going to go right into the garage. Under the driveway, it's at 3 feet 3 inches deep. I'm going to do another marking at about 19 feet, and then the last one will be at the transition. You can see how the pipe right here is collapsed almost down to like a half an inch. I mean, it's inch to a half inch. It's pretty. Is a line that needs to be redone completely. Okay, we're now inside the garage, about 5-6 feet inside the garage. It's angling towards the right inner wall of the garage right now, and it's 2 feet 9 inches deep here at 19 feet. My concern is I think the line's going to pass underneath the wall here soon, to a point where I'm not able to locate it. It may go into the crawl space. I'm going to pull back here to 8 feet, and if that's the case, the repair guys are just going to have to track the line through the wall. And we have root intrusion all the way into the transition here. Now my camera is saying about 7 feet from the point of access, but I'm going to go ahead and attempt to locate here. Okay, unfortunately at this point here, it's at the transition, it is underneath the house, inside the crawl space. It's very difficult to locate inside the home. So the repair guys are going to have to just track that and replace everything from the cast iron pipe out. Likely all the pipe from 49 feet on is Orangeburg out to at least the street curb, if not all the way to the main. And then it's definitely worth contacting the city to see if they have any stipulations about if this line can just be abandoned and if a new line can be bored in, because I don't really see any reason why you'd want to replace this the way it's situated right now. It angles across the driveway heading over towards the neighbor's house. So I do have some concern when a line angles that hard towards another property. Sometimes that can indicate that it may be heading that direction to party on with a neighbor. I don't know that for sure, but it does angle across the driveway from one end to the other. It crosses over from the right side to the left, and then 90s or 45s to start heading towards the street. And at that point, that's where I had to stop, as I couldn't go any further. So I do recommend a replacement from the cast iron transition here at 7 feet out to at least 49 feet. The repair guys, once they get the repair site opened up, if that's what's required, they will need a camera from 49 feet out to the street to see the condition of that and see how far the repair needs to go. But I think that just boring a new line and may be the better option if they will allow that old line to be abandoned. I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera all the way back out.